Hi everyone, this is Dr. Amit Devkure. I'm a life balance coach, master spirit life coach, executive leadership coach, and an emotional intelligence practitioner for last many years. And I don't want to repeat the sentence which I repeat always in my videos. I'm sure that all my clients, well-wishers, and friends are with me. So thank you so much. So I just want to share something very unique today, and that is about how to be unconventional. See, the thing is, we all live our daily life, we all live our daily routine, and while going through that routine, many times we try to break the monotony. And what is that? That is nothing but trying to be unconventional. Secondly, I would say that if you want to be unconventional, what you can start doing is start going against the flow. Once you start going against the flow in life, or while living and leading your life, you start getting to know that, wow, what a fantastic life it can be. Then start imagining every moment as an abstract in your life and try to elaborate that abstract as per your conviction, I would say, or diction. And that's the sign where you are trying to be unconventional, because that gives you more clarity, of thought, and it also brings more congruence to your thoughts. Then I would say change is constant. If you want to really stick to this therapy or theory of life that change is constant, I would say that try to be unconventional, because that gives you a different perspective to make your life, to make a difference. And to make a difference, something unconventional always, you know brings that glory in your life. Then I would say that trying to be experimental, trying to explore things like Albert Einstein, Edison, or even Newton, all these scientists, or even artists like Raja Ravi Verma, they were fantastic. They were absolutely out of this world. They always used to think, out of the box. So if you are thinking out of the box, it is a sign of being unconventional, I would say. Again, to become unconventional, try to practice out things which you have not seen ever before, but you want to, experience them, and you want to test them. And if you have that attitude in yourself, that will always give you that feel of being unconventional. And that's another way. And I would say that, why you have to be unconventional, because that's how you are going to make a difference in your life and in somebody else's life, because you are motivating somebody else's life by being unconventional. And I would say that there are certain limitations in everyone's life, so follow those limitations, but at the same time, trying to be unconventional always brings that satisfaction in life, because it is majorly a sign of you becoming significantly dynamic and a unique personality. And that is how I would say that one has to be in that zone always, because if your mindset is so, everything is going to take shape likewise. So thank you so much. This is what I just wanted to say, that being unconventional always brings glory, always brings that satisfaction, and always brings that sense of achievement. So do you want to have that sense of achievement? Do you want to bring that glory? I'm trying to bring that. Will you do that? I don't know, but let's start practicing it out. And thank you so much. I'll come up with some different video very soon. Thank you. Be great, be kind, keep smiling. And I would say that next time I would come up with some video which has a which has a flavor of being unconventional. Thank you so much once again. This is Dr. Amit Devgure, and see you soon. Thank you.